Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Akash with you from UTuber. On today's video, I'm gonna show you a short trick on how you can play your MOV file formats on your Windows laptop. Basically, if you are an iPhone user and shoot videos on your phone, actually they are saved into MOV file formats. So somebody, if wants to play the video, they cannot play it directly on your Windows device, and that will lead to show you an error. So let me show you that so that you can have an idea of the problem you are facing, if it is same or not. So here I'm having some files. Here I'm having some MOV file. Let me go to the properties and show you that it is a MOV file. As you guys can see that it is a MOV file format. Let me click on OK, and as you guys can see that these all of our MOV file formats. So if I want to try playing any of the file, let me wait for some time. And as you guys can see that there is a window that opened in front of you that is written, to play this video you need a new codec. It is named HEVC video extensions, and you have to purchase it from Microsoft Store at about $1. Obviously we're gonna see the trick how you can install codec for free. Basically, when I was having the same problem, searched for several videos on YouTube, but some of them are fake and some of them are not working now. So I thought to make a simple video fixing on this solution, and at the same time just for free. So some of you might suggest to play MOV files with VLC player, but what VLC player actually do, it convert your video and then play it. So it might be helpful for your editing, but many of the editing software supports MOV and as well as MP4 both formats, so that you don't need to convert your MOV file to MP4 and then edit it. But anyway, if you want it, then I have already made a separate video on that particular topic. You can go to the I button and simply get the solution from there. And if you're trying to play your videos with VLC player, your MOV files with VLC player, it is kind of meaningless just because VLC player will convert your video to MP4 and then play it. So basically it is a waste of time. So let me go to the Chrome and search for HEVC video extension download. Now some of the websites will come in front of you saying it is a free download of HEVC video extensions. I will recommend you to go to this particular website, codec.co. I will giving the link in the description so that you can go directly to this website. Don't go to the previous website just because I have tried already and they are not working at all. Let's click on it, and the website will look like this, and here you can get the options of downloading your extension in 64-bit and as well as 32-bit. You can download as per your choice. I am having a 64-bit system, so I'll be downloading it. If you don't know which kind of system you having, so you simply go to this PC, right click on it and go to the properties to see that which kind of system you're having. As you guys can see, in the system type it is saying that 64-bit operating system. Let me click on the file that has downloaded. Now the page will directly ask you to install it. So I'm gonna install the file. It might take some time as per your system configuration. Now as you guys can see, there is a notification that has come, HEVC video extension from your device manufacturer is ready. So let me close it and let's try opening the files. So here are those files. Let me again show you by going properties. It was a MOV file and it was previously not working. Let me click on it and let's see that if it is working or not. Now as you guys can see that it is completely working. Let me try another one. Now as you
Take one.
they
Action!
are working. Here it was the simplest way to download the HEVC codec extension MOV files to open in your Windows system. Now if somebody wants to uninstall that particular extension, you can directly go to the settings and then you have to come to apps. You need to scroll down, and as you guys can see that it is HEVC video extension manufacturer has been installed. You can uninstall it directly from here. I need it, just I'm not going to uninstall it. I hope that the video was helpful for you. If you find my tutorial helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and obviously write your valuable comment in the comment section so that it keeps motivating me making such videos for you. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel pressing the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. Till then, stay tuned and have an amazing day. Goodbye.